Oh my God, I am so in love. I love starfish.
We are Sharon and Joe. Welcome to our adventures. We have spent the last 5 months traveling across the country and documenting our experiences. Join us as we embark in a new series each Wednesday as we wade into the world of West Coast fisheries.
We will take you along as we learn how to fish, clam, and crab along the West Coast and learn from our mistakes as we go. We'll even try some new recipes to bring out the flavor of our fresh catches. If fishing is not your thing, continue to join us each Sunday for our travel series.
So we woke up early today and we are going clamming and crabbing. We have about an hour drive to get there. The clamming is not really good in this part of Oregon. I don't understand why. So we're driving an hour, but we've been hearing about this Dutch Brothers, and we've never been. So we got one, and I have to say it's pretty good, but I still like Dunkin' Donuts better. I don't know what it is about my Dunkin' Donuts. I haven't been to one since Wisconsin, I think. Man, it feels like forever ago. Anyway, it's good. It's definitely giving me what I need, but it's not as good as Dunkin' Donuts. That's my...
And we have an old man in a Corvette in front of us, and he's doing about 25 miles an hour in a 50.
Woohoo! Fun times here.
Yep.
Anyway, we'll bring you with us when we go crabbing and clamming. Wish us luck. So we're on the boat. We have 2 crab traps out and we're hoping to catch some crabs. And right now we see a bunch of seals. I think they're seals. Can't really tell if they're sea lions or seals. They look like seals to me though, but there's a bunch of them on the beach. So we're gonna take a ride to see them. They're so cool. Let's see if I can get it. There's all the seals. Look how many. We don't want to get too close, so I don't know if you can see them. First scallop.
It's a giant. What? Look at the size of that thing.
We don't even know if we're allowed to keep them though. We gotta Google this.
It's a scallop. Big scallop. Sweet. She killed it right away.
Oh my God, I am so in love. I love starfish. I'm super happy I found a starfish. I'm gonna let him go because he's alive, but he is so cool. This is like heaven for me. I'm just in my glory right now. I'm back where the seals are and starfish and crabs and clams. This is definitely my kind of thing. Isn't he so cute? So we already got 5 cockles. This is really fun because I thought when we came to this area we weren't going to be able to clam the way we're used to, because every time I watched clamming videos it was just of the razor clams. So I didn't know they had these kind of clams here, and it's really exciting because I love clamming. So doing good already. He's a man. Nothing? One. This might be a keeper. Probably not, but we're hoping. I don't even know if it's a male or a female yet. It's a male. Yep. It's definitely a male. Ooh, ooh. So there might be two keepers in there. Okay.
Once again, I'm missing the measure.
Once again, he's missing the measure. Oh, it's a keeper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a 6-inch crab. Dungy.
Woohoo! No claws though. Won't be as tasty, but we'll take them.
Definitely a male.
Yep.
Definitely hard shell.
Yay!
Female.
Aww. Bye-bye. Okay, this is round 2. Let's hope for another Dungeness and some rock. Okay, let's see if we have any Dungeness crabs in this one. Might have to get ready to meal because the other rat crabs just came out. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh, these are the fun Dungeness ones.
Yeah, big Dungeness. Oh, that's a female.
That's a male.
No,
that's a female. Damn, that's a male.
Hopefully.
That might be a male. Oh my god! Whoa! That's a male. That's a male. This is not easy boat to catch these crabs in. Look how many we caught. No, just for at least one. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Where's the claws?
Here they are.
Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
Hold the trap.
Okay. Right back where we had it.
Yep. Remember where it was?
Yeah. Please be a keeper. No. Is it?
No, not even close.
Not even close. Bye bye. These babies gotta be.
These are like
Much better. The big one with the things on it, and he looks like big mama. Is it a man?
It's a male.
Yes!
That's a keeper. It's a male, right?
Yes, that's a male. Lincoln, Washington. Oh, it's way past it.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Got a keeper, first keeper. It's definitely a keeper.
Grip on it.
Don't drop him on me.
He's not soft, right? No, his shell is hard. Nice. We got keeper Dungeness. You don't understand how excited I am.
I think the rest are female. I think 2 were female. Bye, baby. I think this one's a female too, babe. Oh no, it's a male. I don't think it's a keeper though. Nope. Okay.
Oh,
But still, we got one.
We got a keeper Dungeness.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Everybody keeps telling us it's not a good time of year for them, so Joe just wanted a few. just to give it a try, and then we'll come back in the fall and really do some good Dungeness crabbing. But he just wanted to try it. So now he has a nice snack because he has Red Rock and Dungeness crab. So he's very excited.
I'm very happy.
Very happy. Whew, that's a male. That's a male.
That one might be
So this is all of our crabbies. We put them on ice.
So we got 2 Dungeness and 6 red rock crabs.
Joe is having a feast.
I will be eating like a king. I am preparing some fresh seafood.
Woohoo!
When you prepare crab, I prefer to clean out the butter, they call it, or the guts. And that also removes most of the toxins that would go into the meat if you cook the crab whole. So that's the guidelines that I follow. And they turn out great.
His first time having Dungeness crabs.
I usually cook blue claw crabs in New Jersey. Now we got Dungeness and red rock crab, so it should be good. So I have a big pile of cooked Dungeness and red rock crab. I'm gonna clean these and then I'm gonna make a crab cake. And I might eat some along the way. So I've completed my Dungeness red rock crab cake and it looks amazing. And for Sharon, I made a grilled cheese with tomato because she has a shellfish allergy. Going to be yummy. So I've steamed and cleaned the clams, washed them under water, got all the sand and most of the dirt out, and then I breaded them. And here's the result. And we have our hot oil going, and I'm going to fry them up. Clam fritters, I think, is what they're called. That's what we call them in Jersey anyway. But these clams look really good. I actually sampled a little bit, and they are delicious. So stay tuned. I'll show you the final product. Our first time catching crab and clam was a huge success. I really enjoyed the flavor of both Dungeness and red rock crab. Clam fritters were delicious also. Join us next week as we get our boat stuck at low tide and have to wait out the tide to experience oyster harvesting and a delicious oyster po' boy sandwich. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to be notified of our upcoming adventures. See you next week.
And I just want to say how Joe has been cooking clams and now my entire house smells. Thank you, Joe.
No problem.
Ugh.